Good morning to all of you. I hope you all are well. So now chapter 1 revision is going on. Yes, chapter 1 numbers revision is going on, and today's topic is 6 digit numbers. In our previous video we have covered the 5 digit number, expanded form, standard form. Yes. So today we are going to start the 6 digit number. So now let's see here how we'll get the 6 digit number. What we will the first 6 digit number. So this is the greatest 5 digit number here. So greatest 5 digit number is 99,999. So if you will add 1 means after this number, this is the greatest 5 digit number. Greatest means this is the last 5 digit number. So when you will add 1 in this number, you will get the next number. So next number will be the smallest 6 digit number. So let's add 1 here. So what you will get, 1 will go carry forward, again 1 carry, 1 carry, again 1 carry, and 1. Yes. So now see the, let's count the digit. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is a 6 digit smallest number. Yes, 6 digit smallest number. And how we will read this number? So let's look here. So when we add 1 to smallest 5 digit number, we'll get this number. This means the 1 followed by 50. Yes, 1 is followed by 50. See here 5 zeros are there. 1 2 3 4 5 and 1. So 1 is followed by 50. It is a smallest 6 digit number. So how we'll read this number? So to read the number, first we need to learn about their places and the periods. Yes, then we are able to read the number. So now see here, till here we know ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. So here we are introducing one new place, L. L means legs. Yes, L stand for legs. So one new period I am introducing here, legs. Yes, L for legs. Okay, like 1000 we are representing with TH, 100 with H, tens with T, O, ones with O. So like this we are representing legs with L. L 1000, and this one new place we are introducing legs. Okay, now it is. And how many periods are there? Now see here, in 5 digit number, if I am talking about the 5 digit number, so that time we have only 2 periods, ones and thousand. Now we have 6 digit number, so I am introducing one new periods also here. It's a legs period. Yes, which period it is? Legs period. So if I will ask how many periods in 6 digit number, so what you will say, ma'am, there are 3 periods, ones period, thousands period and legs period. Ones period, 100, tens, ones will come, thousands, 10,000 will come in thousand, and in legs period only the one single lakh will come. Okay, period. Clear? Like in thousand we have 2,000 and 10,000. In lakh also, right now we are learning 6 digit number, so we are learning only lakh in lakhs period. But in future when you will learn the 7 digit number, yes, then the 10 lakh will also come in lakh period, like 1000 we have 2, in lakh also we have 2, but right now we are doing 6 digit number. So in lakh we have only 1 period for lakh. Okay, so now if I am saying in 6 digit number we have 3 periods, ones, thousand and lakhs, and we'll separate these periods with the comma. Yes, so now let's see how to read the 6 digit number. So now let's see how to read a 6 digit number. If I am writing any 6 digit number. Yes, so let's take a smallest 6 digit number. 1 followed by 50. Yes, so how we'll read this? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and this is lakh. Yes, and we have 3 periods. Here this is ones period, then thousands period I am separating. Yes, and this one is a lakhs period. So how we'll read? Like 5 digit number, I told you one pattern 212. Yes, and here what is our pattern? 1 2 1 2. Yes, to read the 6 digit number, just learn this pattern 1 2 1 2. And for the 5 digit, which pattern we have learned? 212. Yes, and this is the 6 digit number. So I am adding 1 here also. So 1 2 1 2. So now we'll divide the number in 1 2 1 2 group. So let's divide the number. 1 number, then 2, then again 1, then 2. Yes, so this single number will read, then 2 number will read together, then one single number will read, then these 2 number will read together. Yes, so here we have only lakh place number, we don't have any other number, our rest are 0. So which number is 1 lakh? Clear? This is 1 lakh. So first we have to write it in standard form. Standard form means we have to put the comma to separate their periods. So in 6 digit we have 3 periods. This is ones period. So now separate, put a comma. This is 1000 period. I am putting comma, and this is lakh period. Yes, this one is lakh period. Lakhs. This one. These are 1000 periods. And ones period. Yes. So here we need to put comma. First we need to put, what is the first step? First we need to check it is 5 digit or 6 digit. If it is 6 digit number, then 2 comma we will put in 1000, between the 1000 and ones period, and between the lakhs and 1000 period. So now let's read it. Yes. So again make a pattern 1 2 1 2. Yes, or if you want to read according to their period, so you can read, this one is also easy. See, 6 in lakh, so 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs. Now it is 1000 period, so read this 1000 period together. How many numbers are there in 1000? 40. 40,000. And now in ones period we have to read this 251. Yes, if you want to read this like this 251, you can read, or if you want to make the pattern 1 2 1 2, you can make. So which number in ones period? Once we have 251. So 251. Okay, clear? So let's see the next one. So now let's see the standard and expanded form of 6 digit number. So I'm doing the problem from your book. This is your practice book, page number 4, this one, and the D problem I'm doing. Okay, D1 I'm doing. So with the help, if I will do this, the rest you can do in the same way. Okay, the D I am doing here. So our number is 628001. So 6 digits are there. So if I am saying write this in standard form, it is not in your book. Standard form, they are not asking to write standard form in your book, but I am telling. Okay, maybe the question can come in your test. So write this number in a standard form. How you will write? So first count the digit 1 2 3 4 5 6 digit are there. It's a 6 digit number, means 3 periods are there and we need to use 2 commas. So ones period, 1000 period, and this is a lakh period. Yes. So now write the number name. First I am writing number name. Yes, which is asked in your notebook here. In your book, number name. This one I am writing. First I am writing number name. Number name is how we read this number. In the same way we will write this. So let me mention their places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So lakh period 6,28,000 and nothing is there 100 place, nothing is there on 10 place, only 1. So 6,28,001. How will write? 6,28,000. Now here nothing is there, 0 on 100 place, and if we read these together it's a one number only. So 6,28,001. Yes, this is the number name. Now let's talk about the expanded form. How we'll find the expanded form for this number? Yes. So I'm writing this number here again. 6,28,001. Yes. So write there expanded form. Again I am telling what is the means of expanded. In my previous video I explained in very well manner. Yes. So what is expanded form? In my previous video I have explained it very well. So again I am telling you what is the expanded form. Expanded means to stretch anything. Yes. If we will enlarge this number, if we will open this number, that will call the expanded form. So let's find their expanded form. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Start from the one place. How many one is there? One we have on ones place. So one we have on ones place. Yes. 0 means 0. 0, if you will multiply the 0 in 10 place, you will get the 0 only. 100 on 0 on 100 place, so multiply the 0 with 100. And 8 on 1000 place, so multiply 8 with 1000 means 8,000. Yes, 2 10,000. 2 multiply by 10,000. And now 6 lakhs. So 6 will multiply by lakh. 1 is followed by 50. Okay, this is lakh. Clear? So when we write the expanded form, start from the down to up. Yes, we'll start from here. So first I am writing 6 multiply by 1 lakh plus 2 multiply by 10,000. Now I don't have space here, so that's why I'm writing here. Then you will continue in the same way. Okay. Now in same row you will continue. I don't have space, that's why I'm writing here. So after this we have plus 8 multiply by 1000 plus, now 0 0 is there, so you can write 0 0, then 1 multiply by 1. So this is the expanded form for this number. Clear? Like we have write the expanded form for 5-digit number. Only the one thing, the lakh place is we are introducing here. We are inserting the one new place, lakh. Okay. So here we are introducing this one. The rest are the same like a 5-digit number. I think it is clear to you now. Expanded form and the standard form. Standard form you have to separate the periods using comma. This is called standard form. Okay, if any number is there where the commas are there, yes, if they are commas on right place means they are separating their periods. So it is called standard form, and this one is called expanded form. Clear? Expanded and standard form. So next I am solving from this is your practice book. My turn 3, and this problem I am solving better, this second one. Okay, if you have done, please check it, is it correct or not. If you have not done, please complete this. So let's read what instructions they have given us. Form any two 6-digit numbers with the digit 0 0 0 0 means 4 times 0, 6 and 6, 2 times 6. Write the number and their names below. Take the bigger number. It means they have given us these digits, 6 digits, and we have to form any two 6-digit number. It's our choice. Okay. So and we have to tick the bigger number. Which is the bigger number? We have to tick there. So let's form the first 6-digit number. So I'm writing first places, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Yes. So first I'm making this number. Okay. So let's separate with their periods. Yeah. So which number it is? 6 lakh 6. Which number? 6 lakh 6. And the second number I am forming here 6 and followed by 40. Yes. So here I am separating. So which number it is? 6,60,000. Yes. So here you have to mention there. Here you have to write these number. This number here. This number here. And this is the bigger number. Yes. 6 lakh. 6 is bigger or 6,60,000 is bigger. Yes. 6 because lakhs are equal. So we have to compare the 1000. Here we have 0,000. Here we have 6,000. So it is a bigger number. So we have to tick here. Clear? So in this way you can form any 2-digit number. But one thing you have to remember. On lakh place you cannot write 0. If you will write 0 here. So it's not a 5-digit number. Now it is only 6 number. Yes. This is only 6 number. You have to start from 6 here. Yes, you cannot write 0 here, beta. If you will write 0 here, it means it's a single number. And if here I am putting 0, it means it's a 5-digit number. Clear? So you cannot start the digit with 0. Okay? If especially they have mentioned it's a 6-digit means on 6th place you cannot write 0. Okay? Clear? So now let's see the next one. So next is arrange 1 and 0 alternately up to 10,000 places. Write the number and its name below. So they have given us here. I am doing this one. I am making here. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Beta, this is the third problem I am doing. This one now. Okay, 2 already we have done. Now the third I am doing here. Yes. So now they are saying arrange 1 and 0 alternately. Alternately means they are repeating 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Okay. So they are saying arrange 1 and 0 alternately up to 10. And here they have given already 1 0. Means we have to start pattern from here. So 1 0. Again same number 1. Then 0. Then 1. Now we have to tell the number name. Which number it is and which number name it is. So which number? It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-digit number. So 1 comma will put here to separate the ones and thousand period. So which number it is? 10,101. Which number? 10,000. 10,000. 101. Okay, nothing is there on tens place. So if you will read these together, so it is one number only. So 10,000, 10,101. Clear? So here you have to write this number name, this one, and this number you have to write here in this place. You can fill this here also. Okay. So I think it is clear to you all. 6-digit number, expanded form, standard form. Clear how to write number name, how to read 6-digit number. So do practice and finish your book pages also related to the 6-digit number. Yes, I will check in your class. So bye bye to you all. Thanks.